In this session, we're going to look at coordinates.
Coordinates. Lay them down, coordinates!
Coordinates are made of two parts. We have an x and a y. The x-coordinate goes along the x-axis on a graph, which is the horizontal axis. The y-coordinate then goes along the y-axis, which is the vertical one. So we can remember this by along the corridor and up the stairs. The x-coordinate comes first, so we go across, and then the y-coordinate, we go up. So on this diagram here, we've got a few coordinates. If I wanted to read the coordinate r, it goes 5 across and 2 up. So I would write this in brackets, 5, 2. And that would be the coordinate to represent r. Another example, if I wanted to do the coordinate for s goes 6 across and 0 up. So it would be 6, 0. Sometimes you can have 4 quadrants. That means there's 4 quarters of the graph. So this means it goes into negative numbers as well on the x and the y axis. So looking at this example, if I wanted to write the coordinates for the point G, it goes 2 in the negative direction. So that's -2. And then it goes 1 up. So I would write -2, 1. If I wanted to do the coordinates for D would go 2 across and 1 down. So that would be 2, -1. Now we're just going to look at plotting a coordinate. So if I had the coordinate 6, 5 that I would like to plot on a graph. Here's my graph. 6, 5 means I need to go 6 along the corridor. So I go all the way across to 6. The 5 means I go 5 up the stairs. So from 6 across, I need to go 5 up, and my point is then plotted there. So that X would mark the spot for 6, 5. Let's look at a negative example. So if I want to plot the point for -7, 3, I need to go 7 in the negative X direction. So that means starting at 0, going this way 7 points. I then would go up 3 for the Y coordinate, and then plot my point there, so the X would mark the spot for -7, 3.